Alrighty, we are headed up to our job right now, and going to be doing a stair runner and some little hallway runners is what we're getting into right here this morning. And if we get done with this in time, we will be going back to do a room of carpet. We had to travel this morning. We're up on the mountain. There's a lake, lake right through the woods over there. This is a pretty little spot. Faux show. Anyway. Yeah, it's nice over here. It is nice. What do you think, Luke? Is it pretty?
I think it's pretty.
Anyway, let's walk up in here and see what we be getting into. From my understanding, they're not even one pad under this stair runner, so I don't know. I brought some 1/4-inch felt pad to do it, so we'll see what's going on. Hey, buddy.
Come here.
The bird, Luke.
Huh?
Walking around up here.
Come here.
Don't do these steps very often at all. Runners like this. As a matter of fact, I was asking Luke a while ago, I was like, you ain't even ever seen me do it yet. And he's been with me for over 2 years now, so that just goes to show how rare it is for me to actually do a stair runner. But when we do, we want to treat it just like everything else and still give it our best. Even though we don't do it much, we still want to take it serious, just like everything else that we do on a regular basis. Cock-a-doodle-doo. I used the stair spacers for the first time for my tack strip spacers, and I gotta tell you what, I absolutely love them. I will definitely be using them anytime I do steps now. They are phenomenal. You can get so precise. On this little thin carpet, it's going to be real awesome because it's going to make such a clean line in the gully right there. It's just going to be beautiful. I am so excited to see the finished look of these steps. Again, I don't do them very often, but which actually because I don't do them very often, that really encourages me to try to do my best because I don't get a chance to do them that often. So when I do it, I want to try everything that I've seen and learned on different Facebook groups and stuff like that. Just try it out. It ain't like I get to try stuff every week or something like that. So I've seen all kinds of new stuff, new techniques and stuff that I've not got to do. So here we go. I mean, being super particular, I don't think I've ever cut pad for steps with a pair of scissors before. But we're going to do it because we want to be super precise. Plus, I can't just cut the man's porch all up. I really ain't got nowhere else to cut this stuff up at. Trying to keep it all nice and clean inside. Yep.